welcome back to my channel. Today is a very happy day because I have finally gotten my lucky bag from Beautylish. And when I say finally, I mean they mailed this out exactly a week ago. I don't know why it took so long to get here. I feel like I've watched everybody else's video unboxing this lucky bag and I'm sitting here twiddling my thumbs waiting for it to even get here. But alas, it has gotten here. Obviously, I'm sitting in a different location of my room. This is my little sofa that I have, and right here to my right is where I normally am sitting in front of, but I just wanted to change it up a little bit. Beautylish lucky bag. I'm sure, just like myself, you have watched a ton of these openings so far, but in case you don't know what it is, every year Beautylish, an online beauty retailer who, by the way, has amazing customer service and really good brands. I feel like their selection is very good. They have different brands that maybe you can't get on Sephora. They have great payment plan options. They're just all around wonderful. Every year they have a lucky bag. Last year they had, for the first time, an extra large lucky bag, which if you had spent $1,000 at Beautylish throughout that year, you were able to get a lucky or an extra large lucky bag if you so chose, which is $150 versus the normal $75. The $75 one, I think they say you get at least $150 to $200 worth of products. The $150, you get at least $350 worth of products. So last year I had not spent $1,000 that year at Beautylish, so I was not able to even have the option of getting the extra large bag, so I just got a regular. This will be my third year. This year, it was a big to-do, and I know there's been a lot of controversy on it because they had sent out an email with a sign-up time for early access for the extra large lucky bags, or just the lucky bags in general, and they ended up sending out the email an hour earlier, and I just happened to be working on my phone when they sent the email, so I saw it, and I was able to grab an extra large bag because this year they did not have the $1,000 purchases at Beautylish this year. They didn't have that as a requirement in order to get an extra large bag. All that to say, I got an extra large bag. So, in true Beautylish fashion, it comes packaged just like this. And it has a note that says, "Lucky bags are a Japanese New Year custom that inspired us to create our own. This year's lucky bags are brought to you by the 7 lucky gods who travel the world in their magical treasure ship to grant good fortune in the coming year. Hashtag Lucky Bag 2018, hashtag Beautylish." So I have been looking at the hashtags to see what other people have gotten, and I have not seen a ton of extra large. They sold out super fast. I mean, within like 5 minutes, I think. So it was really very lucky that I even got one, but I just have not seen a ton of extra large. And I've seen a lot of people that either A, unbox them on a video, or B, put a post on Instagram talking about how they're super disappointed and they got a crappy bag and this and that. But what you have to understand is that this is a crapshoot either way. You're paying money, you have no idea what's in these bags. It could be stuff you have already. It could be stuff you don't want. It's a crapshoot, and people should know that going in. And so I feel like if you bought this under the pretenses as it was sold, there really is no room to complain. But that's just my opinion. So yes, I may get stuff that I already have. Yes, I may get stuff I don't want, but that's the chance you take. But it's also the fun part because you have no idea what's in here. So it's like Christmas all over again. As always, it's very, very packaged so well. I know what I want to be in here, but we'll see if it's actually in here. I don't think it's going to be in here. So that's okay. I can't complain. I knew. Okay, this is the first thing. This actually looks a whole lot like a regular lucky bag because I've seen all of these products in regular lucky bags. Okay, this is a repeat of what I already have. This is the MUA Skinny Dip Collection Ultra Foil Shimmer Shadows. I, again, already have this, so I will either put it in a giveaway, or I'll give it to a friend, or I'll put it in my kit. I don't know. I don't know what I'm doing yet, but we shall try. I already have this. This is the Hylamide HA Blur Hyaluronic-based Prismatic Blurring Surface Finisher. So it is a primer. Again, I already have this, so I will put this in my kit. Okay, this is the Kevyn Aucoin Neo Setting Powder. I don't have this. I haven't heard great things about it, but I don't have it. It's come in really nice, like velvet packaging. And it's one of those ones where it like has a little bit of a matte powder right here, and it goes into a shimmery powder. It's very, very powdery upon first swatch. It's a pretty, almost like holographic glow. I would not set my face with this, but we'll see how it looks as a highlighter. We'll see about that. Okay, this is the Charlotte Tilbury Hollywood Lips Matte Contour Liquid Lipstick in the color, okay, Showgirl. And it is a color I will not wear. It is a dark, almost like a mauve-y nude color. So I will put that in my kit. Striking out so far, if I do say so myself. All right, this I cannot complain about at all. It's not the, okay, I don't have this one. This is the Wayne Goss number 13 brush. I don't think I have, okay, I have the old version of the 13 brush. I do not have the new one. I will never complain about a Wayne Goss brush, ever, ever, ever. So I'm excited about that. More big tissue paper bundles here. This is the Oribe Travel Essentials set. And I did see, I think one of my followers on here sent me a picture of her bag, and she got this in it. And it comes with, oh, the Oribe perfume. I haven't sprayed perfume. Is this a twist? Oh, it's a twist roller ball. See if I like it. Okay. Okay. The Oribe Gold Lust Repair and Restore Conditioner. The Gold Lust Repair and Restore Shampoo. And the Gold Lust Dry Shampoo. I got the texture spray last year. I have not tried the dry shampoo. And this is the Balm Essence Lip Treatment. So really pretty. And then it comes in a nice bag, makeup bag. So already know I did not get what I wanted. Every other extra large bag I have seen has had a Natasha Denona palette in it. I did not get a Natasha Denona palette. I'm really kind of sad about that. That's what I was hoping about. But again, I cannot complain. This is probably the okay, I am striking out here because I just saw something I already have. This is the Niod Sanskrit Saponins. I think it's from the directions it looks like it might be a face wash. What an interesting package. It's almost like a toothpaste package. It's got that, it's the hard, like you can roll down. I'm just gonna open this sucker up and see. Is it? I'm gonna have to see what this is. Where's my phone? I gotta look this up. That's bothering me. Okay, it's a cleansing balm. It's a cleansing balm, but it says on the directions it's not intended to remove makeup. If makeup is present, remove first, and then massage SS between your palms for a few seconds to form a paste-like lather. Apply to the entire face. Massage gently, avoiding the eyes. That's gonna be hard for me to remember to do because I always wash my eyes. Rinse thoroughly, keeping your eyes closed. Now they underlined both of those. Avoid your eyes and keep your eyes closed, and then dry with a towel. It's 50 bucks. It's got 4 stars and only 5 reviews. Smells horrible. That's the bad review. Smells like dried vomit. Okay. No. Doesn't smell as bad as the foundation I used today. Man, that smelled like mildew. Okay. We'll see. I'm so sad right now. But I just said you can't complain, and you can't. Okay, this, let me unwrap this because I already have it. It's the By Terry Sun Designer palette in, I think it's Savannah Love, which y'all know I do love, but I do have it. It just says, oh yeah, it's in Savannah Love. So again, I do have this, but it is so gorgeous. So I will likely either put it in a giveaway or my kit. All right, the last product is the Amarvitsa Emulsion Element. Whatever it is, it's $150. Holy cow, for 1.7 fluid ounces. Lightweight oil-free lotion. Contains marine extracts and hyaluronic acid to deliver long-lasting moisture to deep layers of the skin while controlling shine on the surface. It doesn't have any reviews because probably people don't want to spend $150 on a lotion, but alas, I got it, so we shall see. a very light scent. I've heard lots of good things from Oribe. The only other thing that I've tried is the Hungarian Mist, which is, it's just okay. It's not the best. All right, that's it. That's my lucky bag. Not complaining, but it's not my favorite. It's not, I'll still order another one next year, but it's not at all what I was anticipating it to be. For me, I really wanted the Natasha Denona 28 pan palette. I feel like everybody and their mama who I've seen unbox the extra large bags got one. But oh well, that's okay. This I already have. This I already have. And this I already have. So 3 repurchases. You know what? I'm a makeup addict. I knew that was going to happen. I don't think there's ever come a time in the 3 years that I've gotten a lucky bag where I didn't get something I already had. The Neo setting powder, I've heard awful things about that. So if you have this and you like it, let me know if there's like a special technique that you use to use it or whatever. But that is my lucky bag. If you got yours, be sure and tell me what you got in it. I love hearing. I feel like a lot of the regular ones have a lot of repeat stuff, but I still like to hear what y'all got. So hopefully you enjoyed this video. I will be back next week with some tutorials and some, I don't know what else, but I'll be back. So subscribe if you haven't already so you don't miss out on any future videos. And as always, thank you so much for watching, and go out and have a very blessed day.